Welcome back to another episode of Mr. J's Workshop. This week I'm working with leather and I'm going to make a leather patch for my hat here and a leather patch for my apron. And I'm going to show you how I did that. Let's get started. So today we're going to use some veg tan leather, and the first step will be cutting a piece of leather 3 inches by 7 inches to make our apron patch and our hat patch. On to masking. Masking the leather really helps the leather stay clean when you're laser cutting it. When you're laser cutting, you get a lot of charring, so this is a good preventative to keep it clean. Now that the leather is masked, we can take it to the laser and cut the hat patch and the apron patch out. So now we can remove the masking tape from the hat patch and the leather patch and dye the leather. The dye we'll be using is a Fabric-Tac Saddle Tan Pro dye. Now that the leather is dyed, we can take to the machine and engrave. You also can engrave this with the masking on it, but I prefer to engrave it with the masking off. On to the next step. So I use Fabric-Tac glue here on the back of the leather patches, so it holds the patch in place as I'm sewing so it won't move. I use a hand crank leather stitching machine. It makes very nice threads, very clean, and looks very professional. Last step is just to back stitch the threads, cut off the excess threads, burn the threads, and we're done with the project. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If so, give us a like below. Please comment on your thoughts or your tips and tricks on working with leather. And with that said, have a great day. We'll see you next time.